In this video, what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and customize the theme that we just chose. So as you can see, this is what my login page looks like. Now, if I come over here, I can go ahead and click these little green boxes over here on the left-hand side, and I go ahead and choose the theme for my login page. So I'm going to go ahead and click this here. And you see that currently I have two templates to choose from. So this one has the bar going across, and this one right here does not have a bar. So if I go ahead and say Apply Theme, now you see I have the login page without that bar going across. Now, if I don't want to have a logo, I can go ahead and say Disable the logo, and now the logo's gone. So I'm going to go ahead and leave the logo here, but I can very easily change out the logo, and I do that just by clicking Add Image, and then I can go ahead and upload my own logo. But for right now, I'm going to leave that as is, and if I want, I can come over here and I can change out this background image. I just come over here and click Add Image, and then I can go ahead and choose one of my images inside of my library. So if I want to choose this right here, I'm going to tell it to stretch. I'm going to say Insert. And here, now you see that I have my background image. Now, I also have the ability to go ahead and set some custom colors. So if I open this up here, you'll see that I have specific colors that are being used inside my pages. And you're going to see that more predominantly on these other pages. But for right now, understand, here is the primary color, which is on this button here. So if I go ahead and click this, then obviously I can come over here and I can change the colors that you see. We also have something called predefined colors, and I'll show you that here in just a minute. So I'm going to come back over here to the blue that I had, which is right about there. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and click Save. And now my login screen has been saved. If I click on the next thumbnail, you'll see what we're dealing with. So once again, I have the same little menu that I can roll around, and this is what my template currently looks like. So I can go ahead and add a logo for my pages if I choose to. I just click Add Logo, or I can go ahead and disable it. And now if I open up my custom colors, you'll see exactly where these colors are found. So here is the header color up here. Here is the primary color that you see right here. Here is the background color. Here we have the menu color, and then we have our text color, okay? All pretty self-explanatory. And so if you're really good with colors, or you have a color scheme in mind, then you can go ahead and come over here, and you can put in your HTML colors or your hex code, and you can go ahead and change the colors individually. But what we recommend you do is we recommend you come over here to predefined colors, and you just go ahead and choose the color of your choice. Now, you really can't break this because what Everlesson is doing is it's matching the colors for you. It knows that this color right here is a good match for this color. So you have these amazing color palettes here right inside this little menu. So you go ahead and choose the color of your choice. I'm going to go ahead and go with this one right here. And then next, if we want, we can go ahead and select patterns for our background. So I'm going to go ahead and leave those off. And then notice we have this default image over here. I'm going to go ahead and open this up. I'm going to say Add Image, and I'm going to go ahead and choose the same image I have on my login page, and I'm going to tell it to cover and stretch, and I'm going to say Insert. And now, as you can see, we have completely customized the overall look of our theme. And if I go ahead and click Save, then what Everlesson is doing is it's going to apply all of these styles to all of our master pages. And so if I click on this one here, you'll see that here's what my menu looks like, because this was inside of our predefined colors. And this is what the video module looks like. And then you see that we have related modules down below. We have our logo appearing down here in the corner. And here is our top bar. Now you may notice that on each one of these pages, you're going to find that we have element boxes. And so if I click on these element boxes, then what you're able to do is you're actually able to go and choose a completely different element for this one section. So in this example, you'll see that we have the title up at the top, we have the description, and then we have the video underneath that. But with this one, we have the video on the top, and then we have the title, and then we have the description. And if you wanted to use this layout, you would go ahead and say, use this layout. So take the time and go through each and every page, look for this little pencil here, and go ahead and make sure you also set your default elements. And that's it. That's really how easy it is to go and create your master template. So once you're happy with that, you're going to go ahead and click Save, and you're on to the next step.